My natural hair right now is very dry, it's badly tangled, it's dull, lacks moisture, I have itchy scalp and stunted growth. So in this video I'll be reviving my natural hair with two ingredients, one in my kitchen and one in my garden, and this increases hair growth, it keeps your hair moisturized, makes your hair look good, and it stops excessive breakage and shedding. So let's begin. So I have aloe vera plant in my compound. I use this for my skin and also on my natural hair. My hair looks this good thanks to using aloe vera gel as pre-poo and deep conditioner. This is a wrong way of cutting your aloe vera leaves, guys. If you want to take out your aloe vera leaf, you don't need a knife. I just like to remove from the base, from the stem of the aloe vera like this. I just snap it at the base and then I pull it from the stem of the aloe vera. This way you save your aloe vera plant and you also save your gel. You want to make sure you wash off the sand and the dirt from the leaves before cutting the spiky areas at the bottom and the top, and this is how it should look like. That's the gel. I'm just going to use my knife to remove the top skin, and this is the gel. This is what I'll be putting on my hair, and I have sectioned my hair into 5. I'm just going to remove the twists, and if you have any tangles, you don't want to snap at it, you just want to take your time to detangle and make sure you don't damage your hair. And after removing the twist, I'm just going to use warm water in the spray bottle. I added warm water into the spray bottle. It will help open up my pores so that my hair can absorb the goodness of the aloe vera and the palm oil I'm going to apply on it. I'll massage in the warm water so that my hair can soak it up. And then I'll apply the aloe vera gel on my natural hair. I'll be applying it straight from the aloe vera leaf. I don't need to extract it from the leaf or blend it or anything. This is the fastest way for me to apply the aloe vera gel on my hair. I'll just use my fingers to poke in the gel, and then I can have more gel to work with. I'll section my hair into 2 and make sure to apply the gel on every strand of my hair. My hair looks good already after applying the aloe vera gel, but I'm not stopping here. I need to apply the palm oil. This is the little amount I'll be working with. This is what I need for my whole hair. And make sure you have an old t-shirt on when you apply your palm oil so that it doesn't stain your good looking shirt. So I'm just going to apply this in every area of my hair and make sure to work it in real good. And then I'll use a white tooth comb to detangle my ends, and from my ends I'll move to the roots of my hair. I'll put it in a twist, put on a plastic bag, and then leave it on for 30 minutes. This is how my hair looks. It looks good, looks moisturized, guys. This is thanks to aloe vera and palm oil. I'll use my black African soap to wash off the palm oil, and this is how my hair looks like after washing. I did apply aloe vera gel again on it, and I'm not washing that off. Thank you guys for watching, and I hope you enjoyed this video and you found it helpful. Do try this aloe vera and palm oil treatment and let me know.